Hi, I'm Lanny and this is Preserving Today, a Greener Postures project. Today I want to show you how I make fermented taqueria pickles. All I'm going to do is layer the ingredients in the jar. First garlic, then chopped carrots, sliced radishes fresh from the garden, sliced onion, just a normal yellow onion, sliced jalapeno, and then repeat. I have a half-gallon mason jar here, and so I'm just pouring everything in messily, and I just make layers because I think it helps meld the flavors better. You could also just mix everything up. I make sure I leave enough space at the top of the jar that I have the headspace I need, and I have 4 cups of water here. I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons of salt per cup of water. And so that means for this 4 cups of water, I'm adding 2 tablespoons or 6 teaspoons. Mixing that well, and then pouring the water in over, and which is messy. For some reason, this Pyrex measuring thing never pours correctly. It always makes a mess. So I'm just going to do it and be sloppy, and I have this towel here to catch the extra water. I'm sure you could do a better job than I did here. And I'm using the ball lid and spring set. They come in 2 packs, and I'll have them linked in the description here. They're really handy to help hold the vegetables under the water, and the lid will let gases out so you don't have to burp your jar. So this is done and ready to ferment. That just means leaving it at room temperature. I love how it looks this first day with the water clear. Your goal is to keep all the vegetables submerged under the brine. If you have floaters, no big deal. Just check it every day, open it up, and move things around. Get things back under the brine if possible. You'll see your ferment become more bubbly and active and then settle down. The brine that looks so clear, just like water, now will turn cloudy and maybe a little milky looking, and things will smell more acidic. You can ferment from 4 to 20 days. It's really up to you. The longer you ferment, the more sour the flavor will be and the softer of the vegetables will be. If you like things crisp, you can go on a shorter time. If you want to learn more about fermentation, you can consider taking a Greener Postures workshop. This month, we have Greener Postures getting started with fermentation for food preservation, where we'll go through a bunch of recipes similar to this one and very different, making sauerkraut and other kinds of pickles together in my kitchen. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Lanny, and this was Preserving Today, a Greener Postures project.